Hey guys, welcome back. I was contacted a while ago by Craftsyart to ask, and they asked me if I wanted to give their product a try. Of course, I would. And they told me they could send anything they wanted to send me, or I could pick something. I didn't actually pick something. I just send them a link to a diamond painting I thought was adorable, and I think they actually sent it to me. So, and I think they also sent something else. I think there are two things in here, so let's open it up. This is a very hard plastic, so forgive the noise. Oh yeah, that was bad. Okay, so we have this one, and we have we have a Christmas card. That is adorable. I've done some Christmas cards, but not this one, and I really like that. Oh, and it comes with everything I need to do it. Let's just open it and just check it out a little more. If I can find the opening, that would be awesome. It's on this side. Yeah. So we have the card and the envelope. This is nice and covered with, oh look, that is cute. Let's see, it's covered with the plastic, and it actually opens like this. Okay, that is different. Oh, this, that is adorable. It's just a little weird because you can't really display the card like this, because it's I think this should have been the other way around. Not that it matters. It really doesn't, okay? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we have a basic toolkit, and we have some beautiful drills. Okay, we really have to check these out, like right now. Oh, again with packaging. It's late at night, guys. Maybe I'm just like, that's functional. Let's just keep it at that. Okay, so we have 9 colors. Let's see what they look like on the card. Okay, so that is, okay. So the image is like this, but the numbers are like this. See? And we have 9 colors. Did I say that correctly? We have 9 colors. Oh, but these are pretty colors. Okay. Okay, okay. Look at these. They actually have DMC numbers. Okay. Wow. See, of course we start with the big important number 666. The gorgeous red. We have the dark red. These drills look excellent, by the way. And some greens. And look at this. Some white ABs. And just some normal white. Well, they still look awfully shiny. Oh wait, it's just a few strays from the AB drills that are in there. Are these 310s? These are 310s. And it's a beautiful orange. So I'm gonna do this card like right away so I can show you guys what it looks like, and we're gonna open this diamond painting and also do that as soon as possible. nicely firm package. Oh, I can't believe they actually sent it to me. It's so beautiful. Check it out, check it out. It's like a rainbow dragon. I think they actually call it like rainbow dinosaur, which is fine with me, of course. But yeah, it's a square, and I love squares. Oh, I love this one so much. And I don't think that this looks anything like it's going to look. But of course you will find out in this video what it will look like. So I think we have, okay, we have 2 legends. And we have 21 colors. For those of you who are interested, they do list the DMC codes. Let me check out the symbols. Sorry, just really have to focus right now. This is perfect. All letters and numbers, no weird symbols. And this is a very nice plastic coverage. It's not the thin, flimsy kind. This is really quality. Oop, very sticky. I'm so impressed with this one. Okay, let's, ooh, we have a straightener. Okay. I love the straighteners. Okay, so we have our single placer, and we have this part right here, which is great with square paintings. You can literally just straighten them. So we just place that on the other end. If we can do anything right today, yes we can, okay. Now I think these kind of paintings with the square drills, they don't even need that. I found these packages with the square drills are perfect, but we're gonna see, okay, because we're gonna do this right away. And let me just show you the drills. Oh, some pretty colors in here. Okay, let's start at the beginning. So we have 154, and yeah, this is excellent. Excellent. Okay, we have 4 of the 310. They're packed. But you can just see like no tabs or anything. Very sparkly. These are perfect. Let's just finish this train, shall we? Oh, this is stunning. This is 796. This color right here. And we have a few more. This is color 18, 19, this is stunning, 20 and 21. Awesome. I can't wait. Sorry, I can't wait to do these right away. So if you want to look, you want to see what these will look like when finished, both of these, please stay tuned. Okay guys, it's just a temporary update. finished the card. Drills are perfect. Excellent. And it's funny, I showed it to my boyfriend, like, isn't this like, you know, printed the wrong way? And he said, well, if it's a card to be hanged like on a string like this, it would be perfect, all straight. And I was like, okay, yeah, that might have been like silly of me to think. Okay, but anyway, yeah, I've also started working on the dragon, and I just want to show you, because I think I forgot to show you the drill field up close, so here we go. Lots of color blocking with the 310 is, you know, finished, done. It looks really, really good. Drills are good quality, no trash at all. And that's just a look up close at the drill field. Seriously, I can hear sirens. I live in it. Okay, sorry. They just drove past my house. I live in the tiniest village. Nothing ever happens here. So I'm kind of worried. But anyway, let's look at the drill field. And yes, I have been looking for words, but I haven't found any words yet. Do you look for words? With all the letters? Yeah, I do. But it looks so clear. Sorry, like the shadow of the camera is like kind of blocking it, but it looks really, really clear. And again, this plastic is, I don't know what it is. Seriously. Okay. Something bad is going on out there. Someone's having a very lousy Saturday morning. Okay. But yeah. Oh, this is kind of funny. The LUL. If you're Dutch, you'll think it's funny. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna continue working on this, and I'm very curious what it's gonna look like with all the colors, the rainbow colors. So, yeah, if you stay tuned, I'm gonna show you like the finished result right now. Okay guys, sorry about the drama. I don't know. I thought about like refilming it, and but you know what? It kept it kind of real because that's what happens. And usually I just delete the footage and just, you know, do it again. But yeah, it made it kind of real. So today I decided to just leave it in there. And it was total chaos for about an hour. But after that, everything went back to normal. And as far as I know, the person who was entrapped is doing fine. So yeah. But anyway, I want to mention, I forgot to mention it in the intro, Rambling Rose and Diamond Paint actually was also contacted by Craftsyart to do an unboxing, and she did an unboxing on this one because she picked it as well. So we have the same taste. But she's been doing it a lot longer than I have, so she's very like in depth of all the drills and everything, and I highly recommend you check her video out as well. I will leave it in the description box. The only thing I notice I'm really good at is like unboxing these and just do them right away. Like forget about everything like laundry and stuff, just finish it and get the video up as soon as I can. So yeah, I showed you this before. Again, if you wanna, this is printed like to hang them, which makes them perfect. I had a ton of spare drills on this one, including the ABs. And they actually have the DMC codes on them as well, so I will be saving these. And as for this diamond painting, it's stunning. You can see the shine and it's just gorgeous. Let me just zoom you in a little so you can see the diamonds and how that's my nails, and how they line up. Such stunning colors. Again, no nails in this video. Okay, so it's really cute, and I use this kind of system to work on these. As you can see, lots of spare drills. I have the DMC codes, so I can save these as well in case I ever run out of a color with another project. It was just overall a great experience, you know, no stress at all, just relaxing, and that's what it's supposed to be. So Craftsyart also gave me a discount code for you guys to use. I will leave the link to this painting in the description box, but I highly recommend you check out everything they have because they have a lot. And yeah, use the discount code for, you know, a discount on the already kind of low prices. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really did. I hope you're safe and healthy and you'll stay that way. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!